Good morning. Today I'm going to explain chapter 6, which is related with smartphone and its addiction. Okay? So I think that this topic is very interesting and you will be able to associate these things with your life because we are also living in the world of smartphone. So this chapter is going to be very interesting. Let's get into the topic. The chapter opens with the present scenario of the world where we find people, whether they walk, they are in the street, they are in the cars, they are in the shop. Suppose they are just standing in a line, okay, in a queue, and driving or sitting in a restaurant. Everywhere they just look at the mobile, okay. So the writers concludes that once there was a time when we used to look around, when we used to look up, and we used to talk to the real people, but now that period has ended. This is the new period where we find the people hunching over their phone, and they don't have time to talk to the real people. They don't have time to see the beautiful, you know nature. They don't have time to look around. They are, you know continuously looking down. So this is the greatest problem, this is the greatest, irony of the age, that we are not talking to human being, we are just talking to the robots, we are just talking to the virtual people. So he gives the example of Russian scientist who made an experiment with dogs. His name was Ivan Pavlov. So, Ivan Pavlov made an experiment on learning. He wanted to know how the animals learn. So, the scientist gave the dog some food after ringing a bell. Okay. So, each time he rang the bell, he gave some food to dog. Now the dog understood that whenever the bell is ringing, he is going to get some food. So one day comes when he clearly associates the ringing of bell with the food, and when the bell rings, he starts salivating because he knew that now the delicious food is going to come. So in this way, he learned how to associate two things. Now, the writer says that if Ivan Pavlov were alive today, he must have made an experiment with human and the smartphone. Okay, just like dog and food. So, whenever we hear the buzz, the ping, and the ding sound of phone, we also feel tempted in the same way, and we also start salivating in the same way as the dog did. So it's a very fact that we also feel tempted whenever we hear the sound of phone. And on our planet, YouTuber upload more than 400 hours of video each day. Will you believe? And billion of Facebook feed, Instagram posts, and blogs are accessible to us on our smartphone, which always lures us to get lost in it, and we cannot help grabbing to our phone and looking at the video, and we are so lost in viewing the video that if someone asks us something, if someone calls us, we forget everything. Adam Atler, the author of the best selling book, informs us that most people devote between 1 and 4 hours on their phone daily, and others far longer across the globe. So, for Alter, most people have spent a staggering 11 years on their smartphone over an average lifetime. So, this dependency on our phone is so prevalent that now researchers have coined the term nomophobia, okay, an abbreviation of no mobile phobia, to describe the fear of being without a mobile. So, one of the writers, Kevin Roose, confesses his own addiction with his smartphone. He writes that I have been a very heavy user of mobile phone. for my entire adult life. But sometimes last year I crossed the invisible line into problem territory. My symptoms were all typical one. I found myself incapable of reading books, watching full-length movies or having long uninterrupted conversation. Social media made me angry and anxious, and even the digital spaces I once found soothing weren't helping. I tried various tricks to curb my usage, like deleting Twitter's account every weekend and installing app blocker, but I always relapsed. सो केविन रूस ने अपने पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस को उस आर्टिकल में शेयर किया है जिसका नाम है हाउ आई डिस्ड माई फ़ोन एंड अनब्रोक माई ब्रेन, जिसमें उन्होंने बताया है कि किस तरह से बहुत ज़्यादा फ़ोन का यूज़ करना उनके लिए महंगा पड़ गया। ठीक है, कुछ दिन पहले उनके साथ कुछ सिम्टम आने लगे, उनका मन किसी चीज़ में नहीं लगता था, बुक पढ़ने में, किसी से बात करने में, मूवी देखने में, और इवन सोशल मीडिया जो उनके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा पीस गिविंग था, बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग था, उस पे भी उनको अब इरिटेशन होने लगा। ठीक है, और किसी से वो बात नहीं कर पाते थे, एंग्जाइटी होने लगी, स्ट्रेस होने लगा, और इनको लगा कि बहुत इन्होंने कोशिश किया लेकिन कोई अल्टरनेटिव काम नहीं आया। सो द एडिक्शन दैट रूस इज़ राइटिंग अबाउट हैज़ बिकम अ ग्लोबल फिनोमिना, नो डाउट। आज ये रूस का जो प्रॉब्लम था वो सिर्फ उन तक कन्फाइंड नहीं है, आज ये ग्लोबल प्रॉब्लम बन गया है। हम सब आज उसी प्लेटफॉर्म पे हैं। आज हम अपनी मोबाइल का ओवर यूज़ कर रहे हैं और वो डे नज़दीक है, बहुत दूर नहीं है, जबकि ये सारी चीज़ें जो आज हमें प्लेजर दे रही हैं, डिलाइट दे रही हैं, वो चीज़ें भी हमें इरिटेट करेंगी। वी विल फेस मेंटल एंग्जाइटी, वी विल फेस स्ट्रेस। सो आई थिंक दैट इट्स बेटर टू control this addiction as soon as possible. Use the mobile phone whenever it is required, but don't be so addicted to it.